Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I have been asked by Zeelool to partner with them again, and I absolutely love their glasses. They have sent me 6 pairs to try on and share with you and tell you my thoughts. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what they sent to me, and I have an idea, but I always love seeing them in person because they are stunning. Just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so Zeelool has sent me 6 different pairs of glasses. I'm so excited. So I get mine in blue light. I don't currently have a prescription, but if you need glasses with a prescription, you can get that done on Zeelool, as well as they also have a variety of different sunglasses, men's, women's, unisex, you name it, they've got it. And I love, sometimes based off of a holiday or a special event, you can coordinate your glasses to that event or holiday or color theme, whatever it is that you're planning for, because they have so many different styles and shades. Also, they sent me the cleaning cloths. So for each pair you get a cleaning cloth, and then they also send the measuring tool. So maybe you need a larger size or a smaller size. You can look at the sizing for the glasses, look at the measuring tool, and then see how it fits on your face. I know that not everyone has the same size head or the width between their ears and their eyes. So measuring tool, very handy. Also, they were kind enough to give me a discount code for my subscribers. So if you want to make an order and save a little bit of cash, use that discount code. It is listed on the screen as well as down below. So definitely check the drop down for that. Okay, this first pair. So it does come with the little carrying case, which I appreciate. And then they definitely have the earpieces protected so you're not scratching your lenses or damaging your glasses while they're in transit. This first pair is Cadigan. I love this. So it's all clear acrylic, and then you have the black accents, and then even the earpieces are clear acrylic. The nose pieces are the clear acrylic as well. Sometimes you have the nose pieces that have like the metal prongs and then the plastic on it. So this is all one as far as the frame is concerned. And it's kind of oversized. I do like the square shape. Oh, these are really cute. I like right here where the frame kind of stops, and then it's just kind of like a interesting air gap between the rest of the frame. Very different design, but I will say they have sent me some beautiful lenses that I probably wouldn't have picked for myself, and I find myself wearing them all the time. I keep a pair of blue light glasses in my backpack, in my purse, at work. It just depends because I'm on my cell phone or I'm working on a computer, working on a monitor screen, and this can alleviate some of the headaches that I get from staring at a screen for too long. So if you're interested in that, I definitely recommend blue light glasses. It definitely helps. I've even gone to the doctor when I was like, oh, I'm getting headaches, and they even suggested blue light glasses. So I wear these nonstop, especially because I'm always on the computer. Hi. I have Sochu on my lap, you guys. She's just getting situated. Okay, the next pair is Dexter. These are super cute. I love the square frame, and then you've got the tortoiseshell on top, you've got the clear acrylic on the bottom, and then you even have it on the earpieces as well, the tortoise continuing through. And I love the oversize of these glasses. I love doing my makeup and I love doing my eyes, but I hate when I wear a pair of glasses and it blocks all the work I put into doing my eye makeup. I don't want it to take away from that. So I really like the oversized frames, and this definitely helps with that. Like this, and they're super comfortable. Y'all will have to let me know what your favorite pair is, and if you're picking up any frames from Zeelool, let me know what styles you're getting and I'll definitely check them out myself. I love having different varieties of frames to wear, colors, accents, especially because I never know where I'm going to be when I decide to put my blue light glasses on, and then maybe they're not the right style. I do keep a variety with me, so I have a solid black pair and then I have a design pair, so it just depends. But there's nothing saying that you can't match your glasses to your outfit. I have plenty of friends who do it. This next pair, and you might notice the theme with the tortoiseshell, it is so popular right now. This style is Alfred. I love these. So you got the tortoise shell the entire length of the frame. And then there is this little accent. I don't know if you can see it. It's a zipper. It's so cute. But I also like the shape of these. So again, you got the oversized. It's not blocking my eye makeup. And then you have the corners that are a little bit more exaggerated. I really like that because it also brings up the shape of your face. And for me, it kind of makes it look a little bit more narrow as it's going through my cheeks and my chin and everything, because everything is drawn up with these little corners. I don't know if anyone else feels that way. Maybe it's just me. But a shape of a pair of glasses can definitely make or break how you feel. If I don't like the shape of it, if I don't like how it feels on my face, I'm not wearing it. But I really like these. And I like the little simple design of the zipper. Ooh, these are so cute. This is Roden. I love this. I don't tend to gravitate towards bold colors when it comes to my glasses. I have a lot of neutral shades, and then there's like 1 or 2 pops of color. These are a lot of fun. They kind of give me retro vibes with the yellow and then the tortoiseshell that kind of has like the yellow and teal accent. And then even on the earpieces you have it. Also, this right here, there's not like plastic or acrylic through there. So it's just an open cutout, which I really like. Ooh, these are fun. Kind of reminds me of like retro librarian. What do you guys think? I think these are so much fun, and I don't know that I necessarily would have picked them for myself, but I could see myself wearing these out just depending on the group of girls I'm with or whatever we're doing. This is so much fun. I like these. Let me know, what do you guys think of these glasses? I don't know that I would have picked a pop of yellow, but they're so much fun. Kind of reminds me, my grandmother would have worn, maybe not this color, but this shape. I am pretty sure I've got pictures of her wearing this similar shape when she was younger, because she wore glasses for quite some time. These are fun. Oh, these, I love this pair. So this one is Lorraine, and my last collaboration with Zeelool, they sent me this same style. I absolutely love the style. And I saw it at first and I was like, no, I wear this all the time. I like the clear red through here, and then it does have the gold accents on the top and then on the nose piece. And then right here, it also has the separate gold nose pieces, but there is the little plastic squishy pieces, so it's not gonna hurt the bridge of your nose. And then the ear pieces go from a red to clear ombre. I love this. The shape of these are so much fun. And then you also have the tortoise shell right here. Ooh. And I say it because this is the original pair that they sent me. And it's kind of like a burgundy cranberry. I love the shape of this, and I love this shade. So when they're like, hey, we might send you this pair, I was like, yes, I will take it. I love this style. Like I said, I like the flare on the corner. It just kind of helps the shape of my face. You guys, I'm in love. Now I got 2 different pairs to rotate through with the same style. I'm excited. I really love the pair Lorraine. Of course, it's also my middle name. It's spelled a little bit different, but I'll take it. Okay, you guys, this is the last pair, and I did not actually find the name of this. I'm gonna ask because I was looking on their site. There are so many pairs though to try and find. I will ask the name of it and I will put it on the screen so you guys can see. These are so cute. I feel like this is like if you were gonna dress up and wanted something a little bit more fancy, you got the little pearl accent, solid black with the gold accent as well. And then the earpieces are solid black, and then you have the acrylic nose pieces. Ooh. I like these. They're very like elegant and sleek. Ooh, I like this. And I like how there's just like a gap of air right here, so it's hovering. Very interesting design. I love this. I don't know how many times I can say that. These are super cute though. Oh, y'all will have to tell me which ones are your favorites. There's sometimes I get pairs from Zeelool and I'm just like, I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but then I put them on and I'm like, they're perfect. Like, they fit my face, they're comfortable. And like I said, there's times that I'll find a pair of glasses and I just don't like how they feel when I try them on. Their glasses are so comfortable. They don't hurt the bridge of my nose. They don't hurt my ears. They're not super heavy. Do you ever wear glasses too long and it just kind of hurts right here? I don't have that issue. They're not heavy. They're very lightweight. And I just love how they look. I love how I feel when I'm wearing them. And they literally accent any outfit or event that I wear them to. Let me go ahead and find my favorite pair to close out this video in. Okay, you guys, I went through all the pairs in front of me and I was like, I want to pick my favorite pair. I want to say this is my favorite funky style. I love the bright yellow and I love the tortoiseshell. They're just super cute. Not something I would have picked out myself, but they are so much fun. Y'all will have to let me know your favorites. But you guys, that is it for this video. Definitely go and check out Zeelool, especially if you wear glasses or like blue light glasses, want a different design, looking for sunglasses. They have everything on their site. I will link them down below. Definitely go and check them out. You will not be disappointed. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.